Right up pile. So I bought this tool for my other car and I thought, you know what, let's just try it out on the Subaru whilst we're at it. So it's a smoke leak detector, specifically the SDT202, came from China, 125 quid. It's about 150-ish if you buy it straight from the UK, but this took like 1 week to arrive from China. Quality bit of kit. I've done a review on my other videos, one for the DeLorean, one just a general review for the tool, but loads of accessories, absolutely love it, sweet. Right, so what I've done is I've used, there's various tools, but I've used this one here, the inflatable one in here. I haven't put any new oil in it yet, so yeah, just give it a go. You know what, and just see what happens. I've jammed open the throttle gently to allow it to be open, so hopefully the smoke can go through the EVAP sort of system, I call it. You know, the breather system here around the rocker covers. Yeah, let's just give it a go. So connect up to battery. Obviously you can use your own Subaru battery, but I've just got another battery here. Cool, how it comes on. Fans come on, sorry. Switch it on. Should start seeing some smoke in a second, unless it's out of juice, of course. Yep, so if you can see that. There you go. Phone down quickly. Yeah, and the reason the rubber gloves on there is because I've done a previous video, I used that on my inlet on the other car, so I thought I'd leave it on there rather than taking it off. So yeah, it's on now. So now it basically just fills the system up with smoke, which is basically baby oil, and then you just look round for any leaks. It's also take a minute for it to build up. So you can see instantly now there's a leak coming from around this sort of section here. So something okay, that's coming out of the here, right, okay, out of that, right, okay, fine. So this is what you do see. So now I know there's a leak coming out of there, I can now pause it and put in one of the accessories to block that off, and then go from there. Right, let me pause it. Right, part two. So now I've taken off the cap, put in one of the blankers. It was still actually smoking, you still see it smoking, so I put a bag around it with a cable tie, but yeah, you can still see it's still smoking coming out of it. But ultimately you can see there's a lot of pressure on there, but there's no leaks from any other part of the system on here. See, and that's good. So just moved it off, remove the pressure from there. But that's good, it just shows you that there is smoke all around this EVAP system here. So I call it EVAP, I apologise if that's the wrong terminology. But you can see that the only leak is coming from here, and that's now fully pressurised. So that's good, so there's no leaks coming off down there. And happy days, yes, it's just from this section here. And I say remove this pipes, these pipes here. You can sort of see, you know, start removing it, comes off. Nice and tight now. Yeah, and I say there's no other leaks at all. Happy days. And so if you turn this off, now I want to unplug this, so you'll see actually when I turn this off. Just remove the pressure. And that was properly full of smoke. Let's remove the screwdriver. Oh, shit. Oh no, I'll do it in a sec. No, I'll do it in a second, that's fine. So there we go. So that's how you test it. So, you know, that's just a quick test, but you can see clearly that that system was fully pressurized. It was going through all of the system around there. As soon as I removed that, it sprayed out, you know, and there's no other leaks anywhere apart from here. But you can see there's a lot of pressure from that as well. So if that was cable tied up, you know, double cable tied with a couple of bags, for example, I could probably get that sealing tight, and I think there'd be no leaks whatsoever on the engine. So, and let's say the car runs absolutely perfect anyway, but I wanted to test it just because I bought the tool, and so why not have a go? But yeah, if you find that you've got a bad running, say Subaru, any car, often it's down to things like air leaks, you know, around the blow-off valve. For example, these sorts of pipes here, you know, I find this, I left a clamp off here one day, or loose, I should say, and honestly that affected the idle. The idle dropped right down to 400 and then back up to sort of 700. Tighten that up, boom, absolutely perfect again. So yeah, happy days, all good. Hope you find it interesting. And I say that is the kit, and I've used it twice, absolutely love it. Cool, cheers, thanks all.